Hi lovely people, how are you? Make sure you leave your comments down below how your day was going. Mine's doing it so great. I got a few boxes in today and I'm so excited. You want to know how I got this makeup look? Then stay tuned, it should be up tomorrow. But we got this September 2019 GlitzGlam Box. Oh my God, I just knocked my hearing out. That's how excited I am. Guys, I was so excited when I seen a few things that were going to be in this box. Well, it's usually a box, but it came in a bag today. So if you want to see why I am so excited about the September 2019 GlitzGlam Box, then keep on watching. All right, so I cut this open because I was like, why is this in a bag like this? And I wanted to make sure when I ordered this that everything came in this box. If it was bag, okay, let me just explain. So you got the regular bag or box this month, but then there was a variant and you could have ordered the other one to get, and I ordered two. And wait till I show you the palettes because I have one for a giveaway. So I wasn't sure if it was the extra products that I ordered because it usually comes in a box, or was everything together. So I did cut it open to see, but I haven't took anything out. All right, so let's do this. We'll open up with, okay, so you dropping stuff. All right, so you get a card every month. This is $15 a month, and you do pay a couple dollars for shipping. All right, so you always get prices, which I like that. And it doesn't really have a theme, does it? It says GlitzGlam Box Subscribers Delight. So it does. September's menu. All right. So that's what it looks like. So let's open it up and see what we got in this month's stuff. All right. The first thing I'm going to show you, this is why I was so excited. We got the Glam Light Pizza Slice Palette. Now it comes in two. It comes in a vegetable one and a meat one. And this is the meat lovers. So everybody got the meat lovers. And then if you wanted the vegetable one, you could go over there and order an extra one. And like I said, I ordered two. So one will be in today's giveaway. But I am so excited. I mean, these are like 20-something a piece. And this bag is only $15. I used to not really care for this subscription too much, but last month, this was so good. And this month, I mean, I think maybe I was wrong. I judged it too early on this subscription. All right, so that's what the packaging looks like, and that's the back. So let's open it up and see. So that's what it looks like. The packaging, Glam Light always has such nice packaging. So there we go. There's the back. It says, warning, do not eat. All right. So it comes with the mirror, and then you can put it all the way back. But look at these colors. That is so pretty. I'll do some swatches at the end. All right, so how much is that? Yeah, so that was $22. And everybody got, right? Oh, you could have got one or the other. So you could have got the veggie one or the meat one. And this is the meat one. All right, what else did we get? What else? So then, oh, you get a little magnet. It says, I love a pizza. Okay. And then this is just, what you be, like a menu. Hi, Glam Babes. This world's most epic pizza has arrived. We can't wait to see all of the delicious looks you create with our palette. Okay, so this is coming from Glam Light. All right, so then it comes like this, and it says tasty. That's so cute. All right, so you always get, this is really pretty. You always get some kind of like glitter. And I don't tend to go for that. So I definitely think I'll use this though, because this is really pretty, if you guys can see. I'm not sure, so I won't take it out of the bag now. But that would be $3, and this is by GlitzGlam. Then we have, oh, these are pretty. This is by Achy. Look at these lashes. Now, I don't wear lashes, but I always say it, my daughter does. That's why, even though I didn't really care for this subscription, because I don't wear lashes, I don't really wear like glitter, but my daughter wears them, so it wasn't a waste to me, but they are so pretty. That's right up her alley. And this would be, where you be? $7.99. All right. And then last but not least is a Glam Light lipstick. So we got Glam Light lipstick in the Bougie box last month. This would be Bon Appetit liquid lipstick. This would be $10. This is GlitzGlam Box exclusive unreleased ultra matte liquid lipstick. Yes, yes, and yes. All right, so let's take it out. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a little light, but I like these type of shades. Like, I'll put it over this one if you want to lighten it up. You get a mirror right here, which I love. So let me swatch it and see. See how pretty that is, though? I'm going to get my mirror and I have a mess because I did a try on, my BoxyCharm try on. All right, let's see. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that a lot. Yeah, I like that a lot. All right, I am definitely excited. This is right up my alley. So let's recap what we got. I'll show you this palette and then we'll do a whole bunch of swatches. So we have the Glam Light lipstick that is exclusive to this, so you can't even get this. So love that so much. You have the lashes, so you always get lashes, so you have to remember that if you're thinking about getting this box. Do you wear lashes? And you always get some type of glitter, or sometimes maybe a single eyeshadow, so just be aware of that as well. But this is, I don't know, this is really pretty though. And then I got the Meat Lovers palettes, so let's show you. That is so pretty. All right. Now, this is what, okay, let's see what's in here. So we have two thingies. Oh, okay, so I didn't get another magnet. I got two cards. But, so these are both the veggie ones. Oh, I'm lying, in between was that. So these are more of the green looks. And the reason why I got an extra one for you guys to get, because I figured, you know, it's fall, you guys might want more of those shades. We have so many like purple and pinks. I just thought it was different and you guys would enjoy that. This is a little sticky, this lipstick, but I did put it over top of lip gloss, so I'm gonna put lip gloss right back over it. This is the Lemonade shade by Dominique Cosmetics, so let's just put it over. Much better, much better. All right, so let me open up the one that I'm keeping so I can show you what your palette will be, and we'll go over what you have to do. So there we go, same package, just says Veggie Lovers, and I'm so excited to see this. This is so pretty. Let me get this thing off. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Okay, so here's one for you. It's still packaged. The only thing you have to do, like I say in every video, you just have to be subscribed, because I love giving back to you guys. It's for you guys that support me, and I want to give back as a thank you. You have to watch this whole video in full, because that does help me out. And you have to rate the video, so either like it or dislike it, whichever one, as long as you do that. And you can comment. You can comment anything that you want. You can comment once, 5 times, 10 times, 25 times, 50 times, 100 times. I do a comment picker, so like a random comment picker, so the more times that you comment, the better for you. And yeah, that's that. I will leave in the description box, or maybe right here when the giveaway is over. I believe the day that I'm filming this is the 6th, so I have to look on the calendar, and I'll have it open for a few weeks. All right, so if you want to stay tuned, we will do the swatches now. All right, I'm looking for, oh my God, this is like such a mess. Where are my wipes? Ah. There they are. Let me take that lipstick off. All right, so we will do the Meat Lovers swatches first. And let's see what the names are. So we have meatballs, pepperoni, chicken, ham, bacon, salami, Canadian bacon, crushed red peppers, red onions, and sausage. Now what's funny is I don't eat pork, so most of these I wouldn't eat. But the colors are beautiful. My God. All right, let's just start swatching. I'm going to do the, oh my God, it's so pretty. The first row right here. Dry my hand. Yes, I'm using my pants. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I don't know how many times I can keep, wait till you see this one right there. That is gorgeous. That's the pepperoni one. Now I don't eat pepperoni, but I'll wear it. All right, so then we have bacon, salami, and Canadian bacon. So let's see. Right there. Oh, look at that one. That's the bacon one. These are really pigmented and beautiful, guys. Wow. All right, so then we have the last three. We have two there and one there. This is crushed red pepper, red onions, and sausage. So these are all matte here that I'm swatching. I like it that there's a brown to like deepen up the color. And there we go. That is so pretty. I really like this palette. All right, I'm going to take the swatches off and get all ready so then we can do the vegetable palette. So I will be right back. Alrighty, I am back. So this is the Veggie Lovers. So, oh, this is so pretty. I think I like this one the best. So let's go over the shades. Jalapenos, caramelized onions, yellow peppers, olives. I love olives. Garlic, green peppers, basil, spinach, mushrooms, and black olives. All right, so let's do the top row. You have 4 on the top row. They feel so creamy. That's gorgeous. That is the jalapenos. Yes, there we go. Look at that. That's like a neon color. All right. So then we have 3. We have garlic, green peppers, and basil. Right there. Look at this one. All right, so then the last 3 is spinach, mushrooms, and black olives. I appreciate the fact that you have a dark brown and black, because like I don't wear black, but I know a lot of people like to use black. I like to go in with a dark brown to deepen up my outer edge. So let's see, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm horrible at swatching, but that's so pretty, guys. I love these palettes. I mean, I think this is sold out, but if she keeps going as this, like last month was good, this month is even better. I don't know how she can top this out. And I love the fact that you could have went in there and got the other variant as well and got as many as you wanted, you know, until she sold out. I love that. And she's also from Jersey, where I am from, so I love that as well. And she's a woman, and I love supporting woman-owned companies. Yeah, so I really liked it. Let me know what you think of this subscription. Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know. For $15, I think you get some really great stuff. You usually get about 4 items, but like I said, I can't complain. This was my favorite month by far. And oh my God, it's like gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna get off of here because I'll keep talking about this. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, all the tea. Also, don't forget to let me know how your day is going. But please rate this video, so either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Either way, whatever you wanna do, it does help me out. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn that post notification bell on so you'll be notified for all of my future giveaways. And don't forget to put it on all, because I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so if you want to enter in that giveaway, just make sure you do what I said earlier. I'll also put it in the description box. All right, guys, I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.